Hello, everyone. Let's make pizza today. Hello, everyone. Let's make pizza today. It is very easy to make. It is very easy to make. First, we need some flour. First, we need some flour. We also need warm water and yeast. We also need warm water and yeast. Don't forget a little salt and sugar. Don't forget a little salt and sugar. Next is the tomato sauce. Next is the tomato sauce. I have a big bag of mozzarella cheese. I have a big bag of mozzarella cheese. I use pepperoni for my pizza. I use pepperoni for my pizza. You can add mushrooms and onions. You can add mushrooms and onions. Now all ingredients are ready. Now, all ingredients are ready. Let's make the pizza dough. Let's make the pizza dough. Put the flour into a big bowl. Put the flour into a big bowl. Pour the warm water inside. Pour the warm water inside. Add the yeast and mix well. Add the yeast and mix well. Use your hands to knead the dough. Use your hands to knead the dough. Knead it for 10 minutes. Knead for 10 minutes. The dough is very soft now. The dough is very soft now. Shape the dough into a ball. Shape the dough into a ball. Cover the bowl with a clean towel. Cover the bowl with a clean towel. Let the dough rest for 1 hour. Let the dough rest for 1 hour. While waiting, let's cut the vegetables. While waiting, let's cut the vegetables. Wash the mushrooms carefully. Wash the mushrooms carefully. Slice the onions into thin pieces. Slice the onions into thin pieces. Cut the green peppers too. Cut the green peppers too. 1 hour is up. Look at the dough. 1 hour is up. Look at the dough. It is double the size now. It is double the size now. Put some flour on the table. Put some flour on the table. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Make a beautiful round shape. Make a beautiful round shape. Place the crust on a baking tray. Place the crust on a baking tray. Spread the tomato sauce evenly. Spread the tomato sauce evenly. Add a lot of cheese on top. Add a lot of cheese on top. Put the pepperoni slices over the cheese. Put the pepperoni slices over the cheese. Now, add the mushrooms and onions. Now, add the mushrooms and onions. The pizza looks so colorful. The pizza looks so colorful. Please preheat your oven first. Please preheat your oven first. The oven must be very hot. The oven must be very hot. Put the pizza into the oven. Put the pizza into the oven. Bake it at 200 degrees. Bake it at 200 degrees. Wait for 15 minutes. Wait for 15 minutes. Look, the cheese is melting. Look, the cheese is melting. The crust is a beautiful golden brown. The crust is a beautiful golden brown. The pizza is ready now. The pizza is ready now. Take it out very carefully. Take it out very carefully. It smells absolutely delicious. It smells absolutely delicious. Let it cool down for 2 minutes. Let it cool down for 2 minutes. Cut the pizza into 8 slices. Cut the pizza into 8 slices. Look at this long cheese pull. Look at this long cheese pull. The crust is so crispy. The crust is so crispy. Enjoy your homemade pizza. Enjoy your homemade pizza. Bye. Bye-bye. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. What content do you want next? Comment below and let me know.